Hey, lovely moms. I know how tricky it can be to eat healthy without breaking the bank, especially when you're balancing kids, work, and everything in between. So, today I'll be sharing my top grocery money saving hacks and tips and tricks around how I do my shopping to still stay healthy, still eat I'm also going to be sharing my meal planning tips that keeps me accountable without overstretching my budget. Hey besties, welcome to the channel. My name is IDA. I'm here on YouTube sharing my healthy living tips and tricks around eating healthy, losing weight slowly, especially 1 kg every month. I'm going to also be talking about finances because living a healthy lifestyle also equals having a good, money in the bank. So if you're ready to save money and eat well, give this video a thumbs up and let's dive right in. Let's start with my hacks, my grocery hacks that saves me both time and money. First thing I'll say for this section is shop with a list. Write out what you're going to buy. This will just cut out the impulsive buying. So for me, I use Google app. I put down everything I need, my carrots, my veg, my cake, whatever you want to write on your list. Make sure you get a list out before you go shopping. Number two, I do mostly the store brands. And also once in a while, I do organic products. If I'm in the shop, for example, and I compare prices, I look at organic products, I look at the store brands. If the organic labels, if the organic labels are cheaper, then I'll go with the organic. If the organic labels are way too high and for that particular product, I don't really care about if it's organic, then I go with the store labels. Number three, frozen meals are also way cheaper than the fresh meals. Are easier for me to use and cook some meals. For example, my spinach. Anyway, I buy frozen spinach to use for my everyday eating if I need to eat instead of just getting the fresh one to, it saves time. Some people like frozen fruits as well. So look out for frozen items. They might save you time and they might also be cheaper in the long run. Shopping online and in store, I use vouchers. I use apps, discount apps. There's this app I use, Stop Cashback. I'm going to insert the link that you can use to get back money for every pound you spend on purchases. Using these apps and vouchers actually saves a lot of money. For the top cashback, you get back money, for spending money. Yeah, I'm going to share the link so you can go download the top cashback app and use it to go shopping. I use it a lot when I'm doing my online shopping. Now you can link it to your app, you can link it to your card, and when you're in the store, it also works. So save money, make money while you're also shopping. Section 2, let's talk about meal planning. This is key to eating healthy on a budget. So listen. So the first thing I'll do, I'll cook in batches. Yeah, I get my menu. I have a timetable of what I'm going to eat. So these days I tend to eat almost about the same thing every other day. I will cook in batches. I'm going to do a separate video showing you how to cook in batches. As a Nigerian, I cook my stew, my soups, my pepper soup in batches and then store them in the freezer and then bring them out to eat whenever I need to eat them. For me, when I'm eating vegetables, I love to eat freshly cooked vegetables. So I cannot pre-cook those ones in batches, but what I can do is chop them up and put them nicely in different packs and put in the fridge so that when I need it, I just bring it out and steam it and just eat. Another thing is to use versatile ingredients. Like, for example, you're going to do chicken. You can use chicken to eat vegetables. You can use chicken to eat salads. You can use the same chicken to make up a wrap. So planning your meals to incorporate versatile ingredients is very important as well. Walk into a shop and you see that some things are on sale, you can plan your meals around what's on sale. So you buy those things that are on sale and then come back home, adjust your meals based on the ingredient that you have bought. Use budget-friendly proteins. Like, what do I mean? Like eggs, eat a lot of eggs, eat a lot of tunas, canned tunas, eat a lot of beans. Beans are affordable. So meals like this make a great base for a healthy meal. So you can use your eggs to eat a proper meal. You can also mix your beans. If you're using, for example, kidney beans, you can put kidney beans in your salads. These are affordable, healthy options to protein. I'll also say prep your snacks, like have a prep and go snacks to the side every day. So for me, I pre-chop my fruit to save as a healthy snacks later in the day. That will actually stop me from buying, expensive snacks or all these chocolate whatever on the road when I'm hungry. Saves you cost, saves you money. So for this section, let's talk about budget-friendly meals. I do a lot of budget-friendly meals that are very healthy and nutritious. So for example, for breakfast or the first meal of the day, I'm used to intermittent fasting. I don't really eat breakfast. So my first meal of the day can be eggs with leftover veggies packed inside like egg omelette. I just put veggies, leftover veggies, egg omelette, and I eat it with a toast. That's me for breakfast, sorted. Or I can have a toast and I put peanut butter on it, have it with two eggs with tea. That's it, sorted. Talking about tea, let me drink my. So another meal I can eat is a tomato soup with bread. That's it. I put prawns inside or chicken, whatever I put inside the tomato soup. Tomato soup, I can do the tin one or the fresh one, depending on my mood. Any of this option, affordable, cheap, 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 healthy as well. So just check, make sure your meals are not too expensive and also they are healthy. Salads are very, very, very affordable as well. Salads are affordable. Salad, you can eat it throughout the day. You can eat it before your bedtime. You can eat it as anything. The calories count is very little for salad, so you can enjoy your salad depending on what you put inside. Okay, take a look on the screen and see some of my healthy budget friendly meal ideas. You can do it, you can do it right away. Go shopping, check your list, you can eat any of this, and trust me, it's the calories count is good, it's pocket friendly, and also very, very nutritious. Be sure to watch any of these two videos showing up on the screen. You need to cleanse. We'll show you how to cleanse in a healthy way for a rapid weight loss. So the video on the screen will tell you exactly what to do if you catch the flu on your weight loss journey. Remember to watch these two videos. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye, bestie. Mwah.